6.2 example 2, determine whether each pair of functions are inverse functions. Write yes or no. You can't just write yes or no. That's not the way this works. You have to actually prove it. So the first, I'm going to do method 1 for this first pair of functions, which is doing the composition of functions. Can I do f of g of x? When I do f of g of x, is that equal to x? So we're going to plug f of g of x is equal to, we're going to do f of this whole function. So we're going to plug 1/3 times x plus 6 into our f of x function. So our f of x function is 3x. So instead of x, I'm going to write 1/3 times x plus 6 minus 6. The easiest way to undo this is do 3 times 1/3. That cancels out, so we get x plus 6 minus 6 is our result. And what is a positive 6 and a negative 6 going to do? It cancels out, and so this is equal to x, which means they are functions. They are inverse functions. Yes, inverse functions. Now, the second method. So this was method 1. So the second method. Method 2. We're going to find the inverse of h of x and see if it is j of x. So, swap out y is equal to 2x plus 7. We're going to switch the x's and the y. So x is equal to 2y plus 7. Subtract 7. X minus 7 is equal to 2y. And divide by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So y is equal to 1/2 x minus 7 divided by 2. Are these two things the same? No, they're not. So these are not inverse functions. Not inverses.